Let's review what we've covered in this module. Python code is placed in py files called modules. Modules can be executed directly by passing them as the first argument to the Python interpreter. Modules can also be imported into the REPL, at which point all top-level statements in the module are executed in order. Named functions are defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name and the argument list in parentheses. We can return objects from functions using the return statement, and return statements without a parameter return none, as does the implicit return at the end of every function body. We can detect whether a module has been imported or executed by examining the value of the special _name variable. If it is equal to the string _main, our module has been executed directly as a program. By executing a function if this condition is met using the top-level if name equals main idiom at the end of our module, we can make our module both usefully importable and executable, an important technique even for short scripts. Module code is only executed once, on first import. The def keyword is a statement which binds executable code to a function name. Command line arguments can be accessed as a list of strings accessible through the argv attribute of the sys module. The 0th command line argument is the script file name, so the item at index 1 is the first true argument. Literal strings as the first line of a function definition form the function's docstring. They are typically triple-quoted multi-line strings containing usage information. Function documentation provided in docstrings can be retrieved using the help function in the REPL. Module docstrings should be placed near the beginning of the module prior to any Python statements such as import statements. Comments in Python commence with a hash character and continue to the end of the line. The first line of the module can contain a special comment called a shebang, allowing the program loader to launch the correct Python interpreter on all major platforms. Next time, here on Python Fundamentals, we'll dig into Python's object model, looking at how values are passed to and returned from functions. We investigate the nature of dynamic typing in Python and focus on the rules for variable scope. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next module.